Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Click on the bell icon for further updates. So friends, I will give the assignment answers regarding various courses of NPTEL. So in this video, I am going to give you regarding solution of assignment 1 in database management system. So please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if you watch the video till the end you will be able to note those changes if I make any in between changes to the answers. So first question, consider the following instance and they have given table columns, file name, folder name, last accessed, created by and theme. So there are different values given to this data table. So the answer for first question, they have given question, the answer is third option, that is x equal to folder name comma last accessed comma y equal to file name comma theme. So the answer for first question is option C. Friends, these are my probable answers only. Finally you have to decide the selection of the correct answer. And coming to second question, a restaurant maintains two top ingredients for each recipe in schema recipe, and they are as the following, and two minimal sets of attributes that can uniquely identify each tuple of instance of recipe. What is the maximum number of possible super keys of recipe? So second question answer is option C, 14. Maximum number of possible super keys of recipe are 14. So option C is the answer for second question. And coming to third one, the answer for third question is option A, that is temp underscore India. So mark option A as correct answer for third question. And coming to fourth question, consider a truth table and have the following columns. So the answer for fourth question is option A, P comma Q. Coming to fifth question, identify incorrect statement. This is important. Incorrect statement we have to identify from the following four options. So here there are two incorrect options. That is first one, the intersect operator takes results of two queries and returns only rows that appear in first relation. This is one incorrect answer. I have given tick mark because in this context, according to the given question, this is the incorrect answer. So this is one option. And next one is option D, domain relation calculus corresponds to a procedural language. So option A along with option D mark as correct answer for fifth question. Coming to sixth one, sixth question, the sixth question answer is option A, sigma PID equal to EID of person into employee. So mark option A as correct answer for sixth question. Coming to seventh question, the answer for seventh question is, actually there are two correct answers for this. One is option B, bank account number can be a candidate key, and next option is option C, bank account number comma hotel stay can be a super key. These two, option B along with option C as are correct answer for seventh question. And coming to eighth one, identify the option that correctly describes the order of query processing. So the answer for eighth question is option A, parsing, translation, optimization, and finally evaluation. This is the order of query processing. So mark option A as correct answer for 8th question. Coming to last but one question, that is 9th question. The answer for 9th question, there are actually two answers. One is option B and other is option D. So mark B and D as correct answers for 9th question. Coming to final question of week 1 assignment 1 is 10th question. The answer for 10th question is option B. Reference relation is a catalog and foreign keys are SID and PID. So here SID means supplier ID and PID means parts ID. So mark option B as correct answer for 10th question. So I'm going to submit these answers. So friends, if you feel this video is helpful for you, then stay tuned to my channel, subscribe my channel, like this video and share to your friends also, and keep supporting me. And looking forward to the second week of DBMS. So until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you, bye.